All right, so let's tell the people what we got going on with this thing, man. I know it's been a while.
Yeah, coming out of retirement. There's a lot of different changes that I did that I probably wouldn't do on anyone else's yet. Still a stock blower, still 10-speed. I put a converter in it. Cody built the trans, we build transmissions here. Only if I tune them, we only build transmissions in-house. We will not take a transmission in from across country or whatever it might be. Built motor now. It's still stock cubic inch though, on a 376. Different cam, different set of heads, different headers. So right now we just got the roto fab on it because we're about to start it, but we're gonna change the intake from, we had it down there last year. We're gonna change that. I'll surprise you what that's gonna look like. That's pretty much it. We put race brakes on it. Well, I had the 15s on it before, but I just bought all 4 to match. Our catch can. A lot of stuff is on this that we make now. So within the last 6 months, we make our own stuff, a lot of it at least. We made headers for it.
Yeah.
I'm not really gonna get into the details of what size they are, but they're a gangster. And you know, if they work, then we might make them for other people. Just like a made to order kind of a deal. That's really it. It should be about the same weight. Minus the brakes. I mean, it's gonna be a little lighter because of brakes, but I'm just trying to go as fast as we can with what we got, you know. I'm not trying to make this car into a race car. I have a race car for that, you know, and I tune race cars. I don't care to make this car race cars. It's kind of something we throw together and just have fun with. We got you behind the camera now. So Steve is the man. He did a lot for us at the time, and we're coming back out with the videos now. We're going to start doing it again, I should say. He obviously did it. He got a full-time job. He lives like an hour and a half away. He had a baby, so he can't get down here realistically. So he's going to be helping us behind the scenes still with editing, because you're a welder, I'm a tuner.
Yeah.
Jared,
no YouTubers around here.
Yeah, so we know the basics of dumb stuff, but he's definitely going to be helping us still with a lot of the editing, so the videos will be still really good. And hopefully he'll come every once in a while out, you know, to the track or whatever it might be.
Yeah, definitely. All right, Mayor Lintha, come tell me what's going on here.
I am the new mayor. We have my car on the dyno, and I think it's going to do well.
So yeah,
I'm excited.
We're
I don't get excited about
yeah, yeah. This has been stressful.
Well, you and Fuzz have so much time in this thing. I'm just the tuner. I don't know. I don't know numbers yet. I'm not guessing.
Yeah, no, I don't even want to guess. I just want to be surprised.
Yep. So we'll see.
But it's going pretty good so far, right?
It's loud. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah. Yeah. This camera will probably, I don't even know. It might break the mic just when it's.
Yeah. Probably.
All right, so we just made 1022. It's the third pull at 5,800 RPM. A little bit of belt slip, but it's all good. What do you think?
I'm pretty happy with that, honestly.
Yeah. Yeah.
The different stuff we talked about is working right now. Last year I did some sketchy stuff to make what I made last year, but this is right now, that's the third pull.
Yeah. And last year, what, it made 1010, like, really on the edge.
Yeah, it was.
still climbing. And no, we didn't put a new belt on yet.
No.
Working some
Bad
magic.
unit.
Yes. Dude, just take that in. 1041. 5900. Stock flow, once again.
This bitch is gonna be nasty.
No 427.
No, stock cube. Stock crankshaft, and it's just got rods and pistons. I'm a poor man, so I don't really. Should I got a used set of pistons in this bad unit. I didn't buy new pistons for it.
I know.
It will keep climbing if I can get the belt to not slip. It's only slipping really up there. There ain't no one making that. And I'll put any amount of money, I'll put this on the Dyno jet and make 1,000. Guaranteed.
Come on. One more time. Holy fuck.
Yo, what the fuck?
That shit sounded, after that first, it was like bang, bang, bang,
Oh
bang.
yeah, after the first shift. It
Yeah,
was fucking
damn.
there,
Damn, I need my 8. I need my 10 speed to click like that.
boy. You did a good job.
Ah.
Hey, was that last one the 5.6?
No, it was gonna hit the 6.7 shit.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I went to like 165 mile an hour. I was like, all right, that's time to let out.
Dude, that was
I was
fucking-
making sure it didn't shift because I don't want it to shift in 7th.
That was badass.
Why not?
Because I want to try to get through in 6. It's just gonna slow it down. I'd rather ring it out a little bit.
Right, and
In 6, it was like almost 8,000.
that was aggressive, dude. Like, you got anything else you want to say about it?
She's a bad bitch for 1.7.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know if I can get it any better than that.
Yeah, for real.
I knew last year of some bullshit we put together, and I wound up doing all right, but.
Whenever you're ready. Hello, guys.
Need the funnel. What's going on,
How we doing?
It's
here.
going.
Okay,
Long
okay.
weekend.
It's,
Well, I didn't really feel good last night, so I need some extra sleep.
Everybody's had a long weekend. So,
So that's why your alarm went off? You didn't feel good?
Yeah, that's why I decided not to get up early.
milk.
You know, tuners, they don't eat up. You
Yep.
don't get up early.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. Well, no, I'm only gonna run to the 8th
Okay.
first pass, and then look at everything. And
See what she does?
yeah, air's horrible today.
Uh-huh.
God.
It's toasty. Summer came. Yeah.
1,400 feet.
Summer came out of nowhere, man.
So I'm not expecting nothing special. I just want to see, make sure everything works.
Right.
So
Oh yeah.
Coffee.
Oh, got the
if anyone
recharge.
wants to just send me a gift card, this is my sweet spot.
Yeah. Send them a gift card if you want a free tune.
Not free tune. Time to wake up now that we can wake up finally.
Dude, I heard the 1, 2, or the 2, 3 shift. I was like,